Hello friends, this is Shard Tabletop. I would like to start using it, but unlike Roll20, it requires that you actually make a character in the system. So I hope it's not too much of a pain in the ass for you guys. I want to show you how to make a subclass in here. I think it's pretty easy. I hope you feel the same way. Um, Now this was developed specifically for 5e Dungeons and Dragons. That's it. So you go to play from the home screen, and this takes you to your work area here. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to classes, and we're going to make a new class, a new subclass. Now the way it makes it easy is that it allows you to use a template to build off of things like for classes and spells and items. So this class name, I'm gonna do Clint's that he was using before because there's a lot to it, and that was, I believe, the path of the totem. The path of the totem. So this is going to be a subclass, the path of the totem, and here's where we pick the template. It's a subclass of barbarian, and then it will let you click subclass here. Okay, you can see I already kind of messed around with the path of the berserker. It'll save all your subclasses that you create, and then you click OK. So here we have everything for just the barbarian, all of their abilities and everything they get at each level. What you do when you make a subclass is you're just kind of adding on. So I'm going to go to this website here I really like. It's called 5e Tools, but you can compare subclass to the class itself. So if I click Totem Warrior here and do a subclass comparison, it's only going to give me what's different about the Totem Warrior. And there's quite a bit here, right? That's a lot going on. So let's make our Totem Warrior subclass. Okay. Path of the Totem. So first of all, everything here is normal for a barbarian. That doesn't change. We just need to modify it. Our ability difficulty check is strength. Everything here is the same. Rage. Okay, where does it change from one class to the other? It's right here at third level, right? When you adopt this path, you gain these abilities. So that's what we need to add. So I'm going to go down here to level 3. And what I want to do is add a feature. Okay. And let's see, what is it called? Okay, the first one is called Spirit Seeker. Okay. I'm going to type in the name. And then in the text, I'm going to put the description. I'm going to be really lazy here. I'm just going to copy and paste. Don't tell anybody. Okay. Now I know this seems maybe this is a lot for you, but you only have to do it one time. Okay, and you can see here where you can add more features to level 3. That's where we need to add the abilities here, the spells that you do. What can you actually do at level 3? You can cast Beast Sense and Speak with Animals, but only as rituals. Okay, so let's go ahead and add that. So we're going to add a feature to level 3. Okay. And it was called Beast Sense. And we're going to click Edit here to add the spell, okay? When we click Edit, you're going to go to Spell, and for this character, the spell's not being cast, it's an innate ability, right? An innate spell. So I'm going to type in Beast sense. There, it found it. Now, even though it's a second level spell, it's a third level innate ability for the barbarian. So I'm going to go ahead and save that. Okay. Save. Okay, and I'm going to add another feature, which was, I believe, speak with animals. Speak with animals. There it is. Okay. I'm going to go ahead back to level 3, and we're going to add another feature that he can cast. Speak with animals. And I want to edit that because it is a spell, an innate spell. Side note, the beast sense, I added that spell. It wasn't in here. I created it very easily, added it to my spell list. Okay. And again, this is granted at level 3. Okay. So we're just going to save that. Save again. Okay. And now, look up here. See at 3rd level? See how it's changed? We have the regular barbarian features, but look what else we have. Beast sense and speak with animals. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, so this is how it goes. We just keep on rolling. I'm going to go back and look. When's the next one? Totem Spirit at 3rd level. Okay, we're going to add that. That's quite a big one, isn't it? That's where you get your big totem. So I'm going to go ahead and copy the description. This is why I picked this subclass, because there's quite a lot to it. A lot of description, a lot of options. So I'm going to go back to 3rd level and add another feature. Okay. And let me see, what was it called again? Help me out, Clint. Oh yeah, Totem Spirit. Thank you. Okay. Totem Spirit. And save. Nope. When I saved it, closed it out there. Hold on. Let me go back. And it's easy to go right back to it. Okay, saved all of the Totem Spirit at 3rd level. Can you see how we're creating our subclass here? All right, level 4. What abilities does our subclass get at level 4? Not level 4, but at level 6, you get Aspect of the Bat. Aspect of the Bat at level 6. So here we go. Now again, guys, don't forget, if it includes a spell or an ability, you just go over here to edit, and you choose an ability or a spell or a bonus attack, and you can change your subclass as you level up. Let's say you chose a certain type of totem. You just come back in here and you add that ability, but it is really that easy to create a subclass. So now let's see, if I go here and I go back home, new character, I'll keep that name, okay. Pick a race, I'll be a dwarf, cavern dwarf, okay. Yep, okay, yep. There we go. Just have to pick a, okay. Pick some tools. Okay. So let me pick a class. Look at that. Barbarian. Go down. And there's my path of the totem. Okay. and you just save that. So you'll be a barbarian first level. At third level, you can add the subclass, and it works perfectly. I hope that you guys like this. I hope we can get into it. Um, and I've already made a dungeon, so let me know what you think. All right, talk to you soon.